Get ready for advanced words outlines dictation. Start. Heavy industry, heavy machinery have also received, have also been received. Hospital sources has been benefited. Highly inflammable, highly objectionable, highly satisfactory. Heated arguments, High Commissioner, hand in hand, history of the world, in the interests of the party, in the same breath, in search of. In this regard, I believe that there should be, in all cases, I hope this letter I write to acknowledge with thanks. I have already referred to Industrial Tribunal in the form and manner prescribed, in the form in which it is, in the form in which it was, in the real sense of the word, in the real sense of the term, in the true sense of the term, in the true sense of the word. It is well established fact that it is a well established rule. It is a well established rule of law. It is a well established principle. It is a well established principle of law. It is a well settled law. It has already been mentioned. It has already been mentioned above. In order to avoid dispute, in pursuance of the fact, in pursuance of the act, I would like to say that I would like to ask you one question. I am not going to spare in my budget speech. In all other cases, it would be desirable industrial purposes. I would now like to refer in different parts of the city in the hands of the, in terms of his, in either case, in the other case, in their case, another case, in view of the recent developments in relation to the, in or in relation to the, it may, however, be necessary. It is an accepted fact that it is doubtful in the nature of. Friends, if you like these outlines, so please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.